Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to beautiful North Carolina. It is 6 a.m, day 5, Ace Spade Rally. We're headed off to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We got the A team, the squad. We are rolling strong today. We got views on views. No great journey can start without a proper trip to Mickey D's. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, sorry kids, if you're watching this, I apologize. I apologize for that. You guys know Damon.
Too much coffee.
You guys know Damon. We lost the bumper. We have a broken windshield, and Damon cracked his front splitter. Actually, he didn't just crack it. He destroyed it. You're welcome. You're welcome.
We need beef and cheddars.
Beef and cheddars. Arby's today. Arby's today.
Beef and cheddars.
Yes. Yes. The food vlog, guys. If you were worried, it's coming today. We have two Tennessee Highway Patrol in pursuit. Smile and wave, Anthony. Hello. They're gonna get one cop up front, the other two are staying behind, and the whole squad's getting pulled over, I think.
Cop up ahead here too.
And we have another cop up here. Tennessee does not mess around. I feel as though they were expecting us this morning.
Getting off, guys.
Dude, he just snaked us right there. He's cool. He's cool. We have arrived here to the beautiful state of Virginia. Now, I did some research for you guys, and when I say research, I mean Wikipedia. Regardless, in Virginia, if you are caught going 20 plus over the speed limit, it's reckless driving. It is a comparable offense to a DUI. If you're caught going over 80 miles per hour, reckless driving, over 100 is a minimum jail sentence. So yeah, welcome to the beautiful state of Virginia. We are just chilling right now. Damon Fryer cleaning that windshield.
I have a co-pilot, but I don't know where he is.
Yeah, where is Dave?
I don't know.
Man.
Dave's lost in the bathroom.
Virginia PD right there. Yep. Oh, where's he going? And he's doing 80. He's easily doing 80. Low key, we always go 55, but right there, very unique circumstance. We were going 73 when that Explorer passed. He's definitely going over 80 miles per hour. This time could be done. There's a cop ahead. Are you kidding me, Virginia? We have a mile-long tunnel, and we have a state police chilling right in front of it. It's not even fair. I cannot wait to get to West Virginia. We're so close. We are so close. You guys know Anthony and I, this is not how we usually do tunnels, but we don't want to go to jail. So there's a tunnel in Pennsylvania, and I can guarantee you we'll make up for it.
Guys, once you pass the tunnel, we are out of Virginia. You can full send.
That's right, full send. There is a cop at the end of the tunnel though, so full send will.
There's a cop at the exit of the tunnel, lights on.
Virginia low-key was not very fun. West Virginia, you have never looked beautiful. That didn't make sense. You know what I meant. You know what I meant. You have never looked more beautiful. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Ace Spade Rally is over. I don't know entirely what Damon is up to, but I have a feeling it's not really allowed, but he is Damon, so, you know, there's that. I see these columns over here, and I see Damon, and he likes to do, you know, those acrobatic donuts, and I feel as though he's, yeah. Nothing like the smell of fresh rubber after finishing the Ace Spade Rally. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And we're staying at the Omni. I think my room is right there, the penthouse. I might have kind of upsold it a little bit. It's not quite the penthouse, but we're here at the Omni in Pittsburgh. I don't know exactly what we're doing, but check out these views on views. We got a brick wall right there. We're going to a fan meet later tonight, but I think I'm probably gonna take a nap. So yeah, see you soon. He's not launching it. If you ever come to a Steelers game, be be sure to note where those tire marks are because they're gonna be there next season for sure.
Oh, wow.
Once again, if you're wearing headphones, hey, it's time. I would remove the earbuds because Damon is gonna lay some more rubber. Almost can guarantee. Convey this to you guys. I have never heard something so loud in my entire life. If you guys ever get the opportunity to follow Damon in a tunnel, don't do it. Trust me, do not do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Delta Airlines, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to Salt Lake City, Utah, where the local time now is 8:34.
Ah, yes. It feels so good to be back here in the beautiful state of Utah. A-Spade Rally, amazing adventure. Massive shout out to Anthony from Mad Whips, Damon, Dave from DDE, the whole squad, the A-Team, the A-Spade Rally. What an awesome adventure. Also to the fans, to all of you guys who came out in full force to support us. So cool to meet so many of you guys. The number one question I got asked, have I sold the Audi R8? And I think as the smartest viewers on the old YouTube, it's pretty obvious that no, I have not sold this car. Right before I flew off to Canada, I had 2 people come and look at it. Unfortunately, an hour before the first guy came to check it out, something happened to the car. Something not very good. More to come, more to come. I don't know how to really say this, but it's with great sadness that I have to inform you guys that unfortunately, the check engine light is back. If I could get a unanimous sigh of sadness, disappointment, concern. I'm sorry, I kind of built that up to be something much more major than it really is. We're headed up to make some models right now. They're going to diagnose this check engine light. Hopefully we can get it situated and get this car sold, and then maybe a V12. Anyways, more to come, more to come. Utah, it's good to be back. Now we're rolling, now we're rolling. Welcome here to Make Some Models, the only place west of the Mississippi where I take the Lambo or the R. I mean, I would never go eat. I always bring it to Make Some Models. The silver and red is just looking amazing. What do you guys think? Is this better or worse than the black and red? I reckon this is better. This 599 is still here. What do you guys think? Should I pick up this car? It's only $199,000. This thing looks so sinister. We got the Cayman GT4 as well. You guys know Ty. If you don't know Ty, well, I film pretty much every single week with him because there's something always breaking on my car, and he is currently diagnosing the check engine light right now. We only have one check engine light, but there's 4 different codes attached to that. So here's the laundry list. I could try to explain these issues, but I would be inaccurate, so I'm not going to, but there it is. So we're gonna let Ty do his thing, get to work, and I'm just gonna chill. Check out this Huracan Super Trofeo here at Make Some Models. So if you guys don't know Make Some Models, they run a full race team, and this past weekend at the track, they had quite the curious sequence of events. So this is a customer Huracan Super Trofeo, and then Derek, the owner of Make Some Models, he runs in a Huracan Super Trofeo Evo. I'm gonna show you guys this clip. It is just absurd. Basically, this car spins out. Derek tries to avoid him. He spins out, and he shoots the most impressive fireball I've ever seen. Check it out. So the vacuum leak is coming from...
Look.
Oh, okay.
It's underneath the intake manifold.
That's not good.
No.
That's not what we want.
But you probably do for a carbon cleaning anyways.
Yeah. The red side blade looks so killer. we have some good news and we have some bad news. The good news is Ty was able to diagnose the problem. The bad news is that the vacuum leak is underneath the intake manifold, which is not a simple process. It's Friday afternoon, so I'm gonna take the car home for the weekend, and then next week I'm gonna drop it off for a considerable amount of time. So, yeah. I don't really know what else to say. Time to roll. Home sweet home. The R8 saga continues onward. One keynote, I still have yet to actually list this car on like Auto Trader or eBay or anything. The only form of advertising I've done is here on my YouTube channel, which has resulted in quite a bit of nonsense. And on that bombshell, today's video is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.